In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix the mentioned error below. So let's get started. The first thing that we need to do is to open any browser. So open any browser that you have on your Windows and simply search for Visual C++ redistributable and hit enter. You'll find that from the learn.microsoft.com. Click on that. Scroll down to the bottom and you will find the download link depending on the architecture of your Windows. So check for the architecture of your Windows. Go to the Windows search bar and type system info. Click on it. Here you'll find your system type. Okay, so click the download link corresponding to your system type. Okay, once it is installed, just simply click on that and then click on the install button. In my case, I have already installed this. So I'm just going to click on the repair. So it is a thing that if you have already installed this into your Windows, just simply click on the repair button to repair it and simply wait for the process to be done. Okay, I'm just going to close this. Now, after installing it or repairing the Microsoft Visual C++, right-click at the Start button, shut down or sign out, and restart the Windows. The next thing that you can do is to reinstall the program that is giving you the error. So if the game is giving you the error or the program is giving you the error, click on the Start button and then go to Settings. From the list of options on the left pane, you have to click on Apps, Installed Apps. And then locate the application that is giving you the error. Okay, locate the application that is giving you the error. Click on the three dots and then select the uninstall button. After uninstalling it, simply reinstall it into your Windows. And the next thing that we can do is to update our Windows. That comes with the necessary files that we need for our machine. So click on the Windows Update still in the settings window. And click this button to check for updates. And wait for your Windows to be updated. And once you're updated, just simply try again. Okay, so that's it, and I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching the video.